Hello dear learners. Today we will be discussing on a very important topic in marketing management, that is segmentation, targeting and positioning, popularly known as STP Marketing Model. First and foremost, we need to understand that what is the need of segmenting the market. As we understand that market is heterogeneous in nature and therefore we are not able to properly offer the types of products and services which the customers actually wants. So therefore we have to ensure a homogeneity in the market nature, and for that only we use this concept of market segmentation, in which we divide a market of potential customers into groups or segments based on different characteristics which are common. Market segmentation normally determines how organization determines its customers into smaller groups based on characteristics like age, income, personality traits or behavior. Normally in market segmentation, we ensure that the customers which are categorized, they are having similar traits and interest, as well as their needs are common, and location wise also they are located in a specific limited geographical area. Let's have a look at the importance of market segmentation. Market segmentation process normally provides marketers a in-depth knowledge and understanding of market opportunities. It also throws ample light on the consumer needs and wants, which helps the marketers in adopting effective marketing program and deciding their appropriate marketing mix elements. It also facilitates a proper allocation of resources in various marketing areas. It also helps the marketer to adjust its products and services according to the need and wants of a specific segment. This finally results in increasing the sales volume, because we are offering the products and services as per the need and wants of the customers. It also facilitates better assessment of the competition. Thereby the company is able to make inroads into fiercely competitive business environment. It also helps the marketers to ensure effective advertising appeal and promote its products and services in a better manner, thereby increasing the marketing efficiency. And at the end of the day, it is not only beneficial to the marketers, but it is equally important for the customers, because they are better served with the help of marketing segmentation. It also helps the marketer to identify the potential target market in a better manner, so that those market can be easily targeted and the products and services can be positioned accordingly. Similarly, it helps the managers to have a greater understanding of the targeted market, which helps the managers to design the products and services according to the need and want of the customers. It also facilitates a proper designing of marketing mix based on the needs of a precise market. This definitely is very significant for the competitive position, as we can increase the competitiveness by adopting market segmentation in a market. It also facilitates not only the identification of new opportunities, but also in a way it is helpful in avoiding mass marketing, because we know that mass marketing is something which is very difficult to handle, and therefore we need to limit, we need to ensure that we are specifically targeting certain key or profitable segments in the market, so that we can offer our products and services in a successful manner in that specific market area. This also helps the marketer to ensure a better designing and positioning of the products. And sometimes we can also say that it is more or less equivalent to have niche marketing strategy in place that will help the marketer to identify small and profitable segments and serve them in a proper manner. Now let's have a look at the various bases of segmentation, which means that how we can do the segmentation in the market. So normally we have 4 types of bases which are there. First one is geographical segmentation, second one is demographic segmentation, third is psychographic, and the last one is behavioral. Sometimes we also come across another type of segmentation that is known as firmographic segmentation. Talking about geographical segmentation, normally the marketers are capable of dividing the market on the geographical basis such as city wise, country wise, state wise, or region or zone wise. In certain cases, this division can be on the basis of rural, urban and suburban market segments also, and sometimes the climatic conditions can also play a key role in having a geographical segmentation. Also, the density of population is a very important geographical variable which helps in geographical segmentation of market. Moving ahead, the second type is demographic segmentation, which is basically related with the division of market on the basis of age, gender, education level, income, marital status, social status, occupation and nationality. So these are basically the demographic variables which are responsible for creating the various segments which the marketer can easily target as per the product and service offerings. The third type of segmentation is psychographic segmentation, wherein the marketer is able to create clusters of customers who share similar characteristics and then group them accordingly. These clusters normally are formed as subsets, and we can categorize them on the following variables like social class, lifestyle, interest, values, personality, social status, religion, opinion and attitude displayed by the customers. So it is basically related with the consumer psychology, and all these variables play a key role in shaping up the consumer psychology. If we will take each of these segments, we will be able to find different types of psychologies of the customers which are of interest for the marketers, and marketers only target that aspect, and thereafter they design the products and services which is suitable for a specific segment. Then another very important type of segmentation is behavioral segmentation, in which the consumer behavioral aspects they are taken care of, and it helps the marketers to study consumers' attitude towards the product and service offering, consumer attitude towards their brand and brand image, consumers' usage pattern, how the consumers are using the product or service, and also it helps the marketer to study the overall knowledge of their brands and products which is there in the market, and also it helps in proper understanding of the purchasing tendencies of the customers. Normally, behavioral segmentation divides and targets customers according to their behavior, which is based on the usage rate, occasions, loyalty status and benefits. When we say usage rate segmentation, normally we are dividing the market on the basis of amount of product which is purchased or consumed. Let's say for example, we can have formal users, we can have potential users, first time users, light or irregular users, medium or heavy users of a particular product. Heavy users are the group most commonly marketed. When we talk about occasion as an important parameter, so there are various occasions which are based on festives occasions like different festivals are there. We have Christmas, we have Eid, we have Diwali, which play a very important role in shaping up the product and service offering during that particular specific time period. Similarly, seasons are also a very important occasion. Let's say, for example, medications that are related with cold remedies, they are more often sold during winters. So the seasons play a very vital role. Talking about the loyalty status segmentation, we can have hardcore loyal, we can have split loyal customers. Sometimes the loyalty is shifted, so that is shifting loyals, and at times it can be switchers, those who frequently keep on trying different brands, keep on switching the brand at ease. On the contrary, the hardcore loyal, they will not at all switch the brand. They have immensely high degree of brand loyalty. Then another important aspect is benefit segmentation, wherein the marketers divide the market based on the perceived benefit of the product or service. A very good example in this context can be taken for toothpaste. Toothpaste as a product can offer different types of benefits like whitening of the teeth, breath freshening, 24-hour protection, cavity protection, sensitivity relief, enamel protection, and so on, gum health, all these things are possible. So a marketer can identify any of these benefit and can offer these benefit in its product, and sometimes multiple benefits can be offered through different variations in the product. So this way they can have a very rich product mix also pertaining to a specific type of product. In our example, definitely it is toothpaste. So hope you have understood this normal classification of market segmentation. As in the beginning I told you about the firmographic segmentation, which is very closely associated with demographic segmentation, and it is done on the basis of the company size, number of employees, and how the companies they address small business and big corporations, how they offer their products and services in the marketplace. That is known as firmographic segmentation, which is normally done on the basis of the different sectors or types of industries, the location of the industry at a global level, then the revenue generation aspect and the number of employees. They all are used to identify the different segments based on the firms or corporate entities. With this, I conclude this topic of market segmentation by a very important aspect. Sharing of this aspect is very important and crucial. That is, market is heterogeneous in nature and marketers are not able to serve this highly heterogeneous market, and therefore we need to ensure a homogeneity, and that is possible with the help of proper segmentation of the market, which can be done with the help of all the bases which we have just discussed. So with this, I hope you have understood the concept of market segmentation.